Hi, welcome to another video of electrical theory, materials, tools, and projects. So today we're going to discuss a three-way switch. And the purpose of a three-way switch is to control one or more devices in different locations. So this screw right here is your hot, the main power screw coming from the panel. This is your neutral, and this is your traveler. But mainly, you can put your travelers anywhere depending on your wiring diagram and your blueprints. And this is your ground screw, so that everything can get grounded. It means your power is coming from the earth and going to the panel. And this is a wrap up of another video of electrical theory, tools, materials, and projects. See you next week.